Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, even the ones that show up that we didn't order. That's right. We ordered a bunch of masks on Amazon, and it's just common, I'm sure you've had this happen, where you order one thing and something else shows up, and this showed up, but the thing is we can't figure which order it was attached to. So we're just gonna test it. Why? Because we know this manufacturer. Chengde Technology Co. makes like half of the KN95s on Amazon, and this is their kids KN95. So that's what we're going to call it, the Chengde Kids KN95. All right, let's get it open, and we will test it. Oh, look at that. Look at the colors. Oh, my goodness. Swartz colors. I've not seen this kind of variety from Chengde before. Now, Chengde's masks fail standards, I would say, probably half the time. I'll let it rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. We are doing the N95 test on a kid's KN95 mask. Why, you ask? Because it's the same test that you're supposed to be doing. And Chengde, all Chengde does, they're just trying to make a buck. They are not making any of their masks to the actual KN95 standard. Now, it says KN95 on it, but this is a fake. We know this because they need to have the manufacturer name, which is not on there, and they need to have the standard that it's held to, right there, GB 2626-2019. That lets you look up which standard they're supposed to be following, and that's not on there. So we know that it's a fake mask, but do we know if it'll protect you or not? That's what this machine will. Wow, that's insane. So I've noticed this with some kids mask manufacturers. They put super, super thick spun bond. This is like 100 GSM spun bond. To put it in perspective, we put 25 GSM spun bond on the outside of our mask. This is very, very thick, but it allows it to have an extremely, extremely strong connection. Why? Because kids pull at things. I'm gonna try this on. Interesting. They put a nose foam in there for better sealing, which they don't do in their other. Oh, good Lord. What in the actual... Oh, this smells like Mr. Stevenson's armpits. Oh my gosh. Oh, why? Oh, I would never, I would put my kids in this if they were being bad that day. That's for sure. I'd be like, you wearing this mask now. Oh, that is horrible. Oh, man. All right. Does that even matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check out what the machine says. Remember, I'm doing the N95 test, and KN95 says this has to be 95%. It's 98.751, 98.751. What was the airflow resistance? So the airflow resistance was 170, which is pretty high for a KN95. I mean, I've seen KN95s below 100 pascals, which is what I would choose and I would look for my kids. I would look for a kid's mask that's under 100 pascals of breathability, or some people put it in millimeters of H2O. Oh, mask people are fun at parties, let me tell you. 10 millimeters of H2O is approximately what that would be. But that's the breathability. And anything below 150, I wouldn't even wear, personally. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Chengde, if you're watching, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. And I will catch you on the next test.